Spoiler alert, let's check out the new subscription release from Planything. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today is a fun day because I get to reveal the new subscriptions from Planything. They released today, February the 15th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is when the list opens up with whatever slots are remaining. They're usually limited to sign up for either the Washi Tape subscription or the planner subscription, or both if you love Planything as much as I do. So if you sign up today, these will be the first kits that you receive. Many of you are already members of the Planything subscription and you don't know what is coming yet. So if you don't want the surprise spoiled, heads up, I'm going to open these and we're going to check them out. But if you do want to see what is involved with the Planything kit, stay tuned. Okay, we are going to start with the washi tape kit. I feel like this one is the favorite. I'm just saying because Planything does washi tape better than so many. It's so good. Okay, with the washi tape subscription, you actually get 6 washi tapes. It looks like we're all about the spring colors this time around, which I love. So first of all, you have this pink floral design. It's very simple, like graphic looking. That's kind of what I dig about the Planything washi tapes, is that they're beautiful and simple and can be used in so many different ways. Great basics for your collection. So you have this one with this flower shape on it. And then this one appears to be a grid. I am going to open these up and swatch them out so you can see them. We also have a yellow floral as well, yellow grid, green hexie, and purple scallop. Let me get these open and swatch them out so you can check them out. Okay, here are the 6 washis. You guys, I really like this one. Is a bunch of plus signs. That is super, super cute. This one is not floral. It's like a, almost like a funky animal print look. Grid. These are beautiful. Perfect for the spring. I always love Planything washi. I can't say enough about it. So those are the 6 washis. You receive them each month, different washis each month. And these washis are exclusively available within the subscription kit. So if you love these, now's the time to get them as part of the subscription. All right, I'm going to move these and we will check out what is in this subscription kit as well. Okay, let's open up this. I'm so excited. I always love seeing what Amber comes up with in these. Oh, so cute. This one is springtime. Ooh, okay. So let's see what we have. First of all, a beautiful pen. It does say Planything on it. You have all the little gems. Gorgeous yellow. Oh, that's beautiful. So pretty. I always love these pens just to like have on the side of my planner. Very cute, perfect for the spring. You have 4 washis. So these are different than the washis that we got in the subscription, in the washi subscription. First of all, hello, tulips. Yes, please. How could she not do a tulip theme one? Perfect, from the Netherlands. That's amazing. The Netherlands, Caroline, one of my favorite places in all of Washington, D.C. So pretty with the tulips. Then we have a beautiful pink scallop. Everyone knows I'll be using that. We have this pretty stripe. I'm going to open up the stripe so that we can see the true colors. The other ones, I think we can kind of tell what the colors are going to be. Let's get this one open though, just so we get a good view of it. Yeah, there's a white in there, which I think is awesome because it kind of disappears into your page. That is super, super pretty. Love that. And then this is kind of a yellow hexy look as well. No, those look like cubes. Okay, now I got to open this one so we can see. Let's get this one. I can't tell what the shape is going to be. Sometimes you have to open it just to see. It might surprise you what it ends up looking like. And I want to make sure we have a good look. No, that's like the hexy. It's just a little bit more rounded than we saw before. That's a pretty yellow too. Love. All right, so 4 washies, a pen. Then we have these. I call these like dashboards. They're really a nice little cardstock paper, double-sided. If you have an A5 planner, you can punch these, put them straight into your planner. You can actually punch them, put them into any planner. Or you can use these to decorate with. So cute, just as like extra scrapbook papers. Beautiful. That's a pretty pink. Oh, look at this. You can make a pretty card with something like this as well. A note to someone. These are fun to use. Different things to do. Punch it and then use it as a journaling page. Use it as a dashboard in your planner. Tear it. Use beautiful pieces as corners on planner spreads. Lots of fun ways to use those for sure. And then I think what we're all most excited about with the subscription kit each time is the beautiful sticker book. So Planything, springtime, 20 sticker sheets. That's a lot of sticker sheets. 420 stickers, all about spring. The Planything houses. She does them really well. She does a great job with gorgeous houses. You get 2 sets of this on clear sticker. Oh, I like this kind of making your own park. That's pretty. Love all the colors. I'm ready for florals to be out. I'm ready for it to be pretty outside. Look at the beautiful butterflies. I have a thing for butterflies. They're one of my favorites to get a chance to use. Love that. Those are pretty. Oh, look at the farm. Oh, all of the animals on the farm. You have roosters, mice, chickens, dogs, donkeys, sheep, pig. Look at this pig. Is this not like Babe? Oh my goodness. How fun is this? The farm I'm digging. I like that a lot. Some functional boxes, tulips. Beautiful. One of my favorite parts of spring in Northern Virginia. Tulips. Oh, look at the spring in the city. So cute. Very Netherlands. Those are fun. I like the dishes as well mixed in. Our spring rabbits. Here's our Easter stickers with the eggs. Those are adorable. Those are very cute. And then some more functional stickers. And spring, love grows here. Happy Easter. Spring is here. Easter egg hunt. I love spring. A new beginning. Life is in bloom. These are beautiful. Oh, it's fun. It gets you in the mood for all the spring things. So that is springtime from Planything. And again, this sticker book exclusively available as part of the subscription kit. So if you are as in love with those farm stickers as I am, then you're going to want to sign up for this subscription kit. That's just gorgeous. Can you imagine taking your kids to like a petting zoo and then having those stickers to use? I love it. So pretty. Okay. So it's another great month for Planything subscriptions. We have all of these goodies as part of the planner subscription. And then, of course, we have some fabulous washi tapes as part of the washi tape subscription. If you were going to sign up for one of them, which one would you sign up for? Would you be a washi tape kind of person, or would you go for the whole planner kit? Let me know down below, or if you've already signed up for one of these subscriptions, I'd love to hear which one you are signed up for and which one you are super excited to receive. Now, don't forget, I do have an affiliate link down below. I don't know if my coupon code saves on your subscription, but it would help me out so much if you decide to go shop Planything to use that affiliate link. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you so much for your continued support. I love our little Patreon community, and we would love to have you join us. So if you want to head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife and find a tier that works for you, that would be amazing. All right. I hope that you have an absolutely fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.